don't know if you can all see this. Let's see. But I just watched a YouTube video, Watts on Wheels, and they had a problem. And their problem was that there was a short to their fireplace. And they suggested I check, or we check, these boxes. And sure enough, there is a problem here. Look at, that's cooked. Well, I owe Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels a dinner or something. I checked out what they said, and look at that. How close was that to a fire? So you should check out Dave and Karen's video and their channel. It's great. And thank you, Dave and Karen, if you see this.